Welcome back, everybody. It's Hunter World coming back at you with our unboxing video. And yes, today is the day we do our mythical Pokemon collection box. But we're gonna get started with some Shining Fates, and then we'll get right to that monster. Just do a little warm up for you all. Appreciate y'all coming out to watch this unboxing. If you do enjoy it, please like and share with your friends, family, whoever you think might be interested in watching my unboxing videos. Alright, there we go. Here's our little card. Here's the card for you. Alright. Let's just do it out of order today so we can get to this mythical Pokemon box right away. Start off with our Charizard pack. Here we go. Sword, Grookey, Morpeko, Spinnerack, Reverse Hollow, and Galarian Weasley. Alright, guys. Will we get that Rainbow Charizard? Kinda doubtful, but you know, what the heck. That's why we're just opening them. Wacky, Rotom, Rusted Sword, Coughing, Shinx, Grookey, Trapinch, Trophius, and Zarude. Try to do it as quick as possible, guys. Team Yellow, Rotom, Rusted, Shoot, Morpeko, Cacnea, Horsey, Volcanion, and another Zarude. How rude to do 2 packs with a Zarude. Ooh, nice. You know how I always love those packs when they open up. So nice and easy. Eldegoss, Trix, Blitzel, Buzzle, Nickit, Reverse Hollow, and Professor's Research. Nothing amazing so far, guys. They're just like, I believe, $12 packs at Think Geek when I got them. So, I don't know, $15 a pack. So, not missing out on too much. Ball Guy, Eevee, Morpeko, Buzzle, Nickit, Cacnea, Yanmega, Reverse Hollow, and a Selby. Alright, last pack, guys. Lightning, Ball Guy, Eevee, Peko, Buzzle, Nickit, Xeon, and Selby. Wow, really nothing from these packs, man. It's a shame. No full arts. That was what, like 6 packs? Nothing. Let's go look at them. Then we got our main 2. Alright, guys, here she is, or he. Oh, gotta be careful with this pack. Generations is what everyone was looking for. Let's look at this. 20 years of Pokemon. 20-year pack. Little poster. Cool little poster. And I will not be showing this code, guys, because it's worth a little bit of money, so sorry about that. Put this code off to the side. And look at that, victini. Put this one in a sleeve already, because I think the victini alone is like worth 10 bucks. And it's kind of wavy for a promo card that was supposed to be not messed with. There we go. My B card holder. Nice. Alright, victini pin. Two generations packs. Oh, nice. Look at the poster. Charizard will save. Alright, guys, 5-year-old pack. I really don't want to mess this up, so. Oh, yeah. 5-year-old air. Nothing else on here. Let's see if is it 4? Hopefully it's 4. Ooh, a Gyarados. I don't know if that's the legendary. Okay, Gyarados. So it's only 3. Haunter, Pokeball, Krabby, Electric Energy, Slowpoke, Machop, Reverse Graveler, and oh yes, guys! Oh man, it's a Charizard with a hollow kind of Charizard. I've never seen this Charizard before, but it's a Charizard nonetheless, and it's more of an uncommon, but I've never seen this kind of Charizard. So I don't know what kind or how much this Charizard goes for, but I will bind that up. Sorry for the glare, but it's got like a snowflake hollow reflection right here. It's pretty cool. Very nice. Put the Graveler over here just because. The Gyarados is also legendary. Let me do 4 again with this other pack. Oh yeah, generations, guys. 20th anniversary. So you know this was 5 years ago. Most of the packs that are out today that I think I've done, they're 25th anniversary. 3, 4. Oh my gosh! I did not mean to do it like that, but we got a Leafeon, guys. Oh man, let me just put that pack down and get this Leafeon packaged up. Oh man, Generations pack. Very nice. I don't know what value these go for, but I heard that they are some pretty good pulls. So, a Leafeon EX, maybe 10 bucks. Not holding out too much hope, but it's a nice Leafeon nonetheless. Charmeleon, Max Revive, Doduo, Shelter, Steel Energy, Slowpoke, Oshawott. Oh, cool, and a Wally? Very nice. Wow, that's like 3 hollows. Very nice, guys. Well, let's do what we always do and look at what we got. I guess I'll package these 2 as well, just because they may hold more value than, well, they should hold more value than any other cards I've pulled today. Very nice. Let's look at them all again, guys. Wally. It's got the same stuff that the Charizard had. And very nice hollow. Leafeon EX. Gyarados was in here just because he was a legendary. He had a star. Graveler. Put him in a sleeve afterwards. Charizard. Very nice. Got like a winter edition glow and my Victini. Alright, guys. Thank you all so much for joining me in this wonderful stream or wonderful video. And hopefully if I get up to more followers and likes, I'll do some more of these videos and try to get more packs like this. Thank you all very much, and this has been Pokehunter World. Have a great day.